3. And I don't know. I'm about to go brush my teeth and wash my face. This bed, yo, it's amazing. I don't know. Ooh, why am I always... Alright. Your boy got breakfast once again with the eggs, bacon, grits, and... Yeah, we got sausage this time, I was about to say. But yeah, bro. Yo, last night I fell asleep watching some daggone Donald Glover. Cause my TV went out, bro. We got to call the people today because everybody TV acting up. What a freaking play! I don't know. I need my remote control. Yeah, everybody TV acting up, bro. And I was trying to watch some TV. Couldn't even watch that, so I had to watch me some Donald Glover. What was it? It was weirdo. It's stand-up comedy. Yeah, bro. I'm about to eat this breakfast, then I'm about to go hop in the shower because I think we're about to go somewhere today. So, oh yeah, and my family is coming all the way from New York. They're coming down to Florida to spend some time with us. So, that's gonna be fun. I'm gonna eat this breakfast, go hop in the shower, and yeah. All right, just got out the shower, got all dolled up, and it looks like it's about to rain and thunder, bro. And we supposed to be going out tonight, bro. We supposed to be enjoying the town. And it look like it's about to rain and thunder. So, my family... Oh, my God. So, my family's supposed to be getting here soon, so I'll vlog when they get here. But right now, hope to God that it don't rain and thunder, because it probably... But every time it rains in Florida, it always lasts for like 5 minutes, but it is what it is. Yo, it started raining. Dang. Okay. What are you in my bathroom, nigga? Nah, hell, you stink. Nigga stink. Like, what's up, my panda peeps? Say what's good, panda peeps?
We are going to
Old Town.
Old Town, and we're gonna be left.
Yup.
So yeah.
Yup.
But my mom's crying, watching TV, so she gonna get left.
Nobody knows what you're talking about. Ooh. We made it here at Old Town. What's good, family?
Hey,
what's good, people?
We all in Old Town. I know.
We walking right now. Like, is we not walking?
I feel drunk.
Alright, but yeah, we at Old Town. You know we black, so you can't see us that good. But you know it's all straight. You know we can't split the pole. He split the pole. And you know that's bad luck. This nigga about to die. Just wait on it. It's coming. Wait. Nope, never mind. He did. Ooh, we got stuck in the rain and people are on rides right now, and they like stuck on the. It's crazy. So like, yeah, we underneath this tent, but he's black. Ooh, it's loud in here. We got stuck in the rain, right? So we had to take shelter in the arcade. So yeah, we literally stuck in here. At least I got this. I got it. I daggone sure got it.
I appreciate that. Hey, get a picture with me in the group. All right. This is the man here.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Yeah.
You said why is why?
Woo.
Jordan and Quinton.
Then how many times he swallowed it?
How many times you swallowed what? I need to get the front.
So
No.
tomorrow it's gonna be a sign on that pool closed.
Oh. Yep. There's gonna be a sign on that door.
And don't ask.
Oh my God, y'all saw how black I just got?
Oh, please, because your eyes is bloodshot.
Oh my God. Did y'all see that?
We're coming back tomorrow.
Not tomorrow. But yeah, bro, we just got rained. We didn't get rained out of Old Town, but we just hit in the arcade and then we went in that deli shop and I got a pickle. I got a pickle. So yeah, right now we about to go home, and when we go home, I'm gonna end the vlog so we can get ready for tomorrow. And where are we going tomorrow? We going to the flea market. Yeah, we're going to the big famous flea market tomorrow. So yeah. Guys, that was another day at Florida, and I'm getting real dark. Okay, that was another day at Florida, and yeah, bro. Hope you are enjoying this vlog. I'm gonna end it right here. Give this video a thumbs up. Love my panda peeps, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, bright and early in the morning when I wake up, when I feel like it. Probably not in the morning, maybe in the afternoonish. But anyway, peace out. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and bye. Y'all saw me hit my glasses? That was it.